Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to edit and update the contacts in your Outlook address book using the updated 2026 method. Now, this helps you keep your names, the numbers, and the email details always correct and updated. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook on your computer or in your web browser. Once you are inside, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the People's tab here. Once you are inside the People's tab, you are going to see the contact list in front of you. You will have to simply find that particular contact which you want to update. You can click on the contact's name. You can also scroll through the list, and you can even use the search bar here on the top in order to quickly find the name of the people whom you want to basically edit. So once you have done that, when you click on the name and the email address of that person, you are going to see the three dots right next to it. When you click on it, click on the option of edit contact. Now, after selecting this option, this type of pop-up will be opened in front of you. Over here, you can make changes into the details of that particular contact of yours. You can first of all add a profile picture. Afterwards, you can add multiple emails here of that person. You can add phone numbers and multiple phone numbers here. You can also make changes into the company, add work field, categories, and much more. So once you are done with the editing, simply click on the option of save in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. After that, all of your details will be saved, and this way you will be able to edit your contact in Outlook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.